We're learning about volume of prisms and cylinders today. Prisms and cylinders have two bases. So we're going to do a little exploration first. If I told you the volume of this hexagon was 6 units, it's 1 high, and the whole area is 6. What would the volume be if I had 2 high? Or 3 high? Or 4 high? Or 5 high? Now that the volume is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 high, and one of them is 6, how much would 5 be? So the volume is the 1 times how many there are, so it's 30 units, and then volume is always in cube units. So does this work with other shapes? So here we have a trapezoid. We have one trapezoid, and the area is, let's say, 7. Now what would happen if I had 2 or 3 or 4? Okay, so we have the area of 1 times how many there are, so the volume would be 28, and then units cubed again. It's really easy when they give you the volume or the area of the shape. But say I have this square here, and I say that this square is 5 units. How could you find the area of a square? Hopefully most of you said length times width. So 5 times 5 is 25. So that's for one square. Now what if I had multiple squares? So what if the square magically becomes 4 squares high? Then you would just take the area of one square and multiply it by the height, and still units cubed. Or same thing, if you had a triangle, so this is 3, and the height is also 3. So how do you find the area of a triangle? Hopefully most of you said base times height divided by 2, or half the base times the height. So 3 times 3 divided by 2 is 4.5. And then what if there were not one triangle, but 2 triangles? So again, we would take the area of the one and multiply it by the height, which is 2, and that would give us 9 units cubed.